friends! Welcome to C's Carnival of Colors. Look at all these crimson clowns and Cyan cars. Wow, so many amazing things start with the letter C. Today we're going on a color adventure. Wait! Oh no! What's happening? The colors! They're starting to fade! We need to bring the colors back. Fast! But don't worry, I have some clever friends who can help.
Introducing friends.
Let me introduce you to my friends. Meet Cat, Camel, and Crab. All their names start with the letter C, just like mine. Can you say their names with me? Cat, Camel, and Crab. Yay, great job.
The adventure begins.
Now let's work together. First, we need to find something that starts with C. Can you help us, friends? Yes, Cupcake, Car, and Crayon. You are so smart.
I think we need a color that starts with C. Can you guess a color with the letter C? The color which start with letter C is? That's right, crimson, cyan, coral, you're amazing! Finding the colors.
Look, Cat found crimson, Camel brought back cyan, and Crab, you found coral. The carnival is coming back to life.
Carnival celebration.
We did it! We brought all the colors back! Thank you so much. Now our carnival is as colorful as ever. Before we say goodbye, let's recap what we learned today. Ready? Number 1. We learned about the letter C. What are some words that start with C? Can you say them with me? Cat, Camel, and Crab. Great job! Number 2. We discovered colors that start with the letter C. Do you remember them? Crimson, cyan, coral. Fantastic! And number 3. We worked together to bring all the beautiful colors back to our carnival. You were all so helpful. Before we go, let's play one more game. Look around you. Can you find something that starts with the letter C? Is it close by? Wow, you're all super detectives. But remember, colors are all around us, and so many of them start with the letter C. See you next time at C's Carnival of Colors.
In C's Carnival of Colors we danced and played. With cat, camel, and crab bright hues we displayed. Crimson clowns and cyan cars, oh what a sight. We brought back the colors, making everything bright. So wave goodbye friends, but don't forget this. Colors all around us are a wonderful bliss. Join us again for more adventures galore. With A and B's adventure, there's always more in store.
Thank you for watching C's Carnival of Colors. Don't forget to watch A and B's adventure on our channel and hit like, share, and subscribe for more fun.